Hey guys, hey, what's up? Welcome to Glamorousmorana channel, and today I'm coming at you with a new video. So today I'm going to be talking about my favorite perm, and it is olive oil. I've been using this perm for a long time, and I can tell you that this perm is amazing. Okay, it's amazing. So today I'm going to be showing you what's all in this box. If you want to purchase, if you're looking to relax your hair and you have no clue what kind of perm to use in your hair, this is the perm to use. So inside of this is organic olive oil. So in here we have the base. So this is the base of the perm. This is the base. So we have like the base of the perm, and we have the activator. So this is the activator of the perm. So you're gonna put some activator, and we have, it comes with a shampoo, conditioner. So the shampoo is made with aloe vera, and the conditioner is made with orange. So these are like healthy ingredients inside of this perm. So it comes with, I think this is a type of oil to put in your scalp, I'm not sure, but it comes with a hair moisturizer lotion. So after you finish with your perm, you can just moisturize your hair, and it comes with a stick, and it comes with the instruction. So the instruction has the, what you call it, the gloves. So make sure you use some gloves for your hair, because you're gonna need it, because you don't want your hands to be all yellow and stuff. So if you have no clue how to use it, they have like A and B. So we have so much light in the hair. So this has a, give me dim the light so you can see. So this has A. So this is the first thing you do, and this is the perm right here, and this is B. So you pour this in, you pour the activator inside of the perm, and then you mix it all together, and you use the stick they give you, and you mix it all together. And after you finish mix it all together, then you know the drill of relaxing your hair. So you just do all that what you gotta do, and you have everything inside of this perm here. So this perm is made with olive oil. So everything about this perm is healthy. The shampoo made with aloe, the conditioner made with orange, the hair lotion made with castor oil. So this is not going to damage your hair. No way or form is it going to damage your hair. Okay, so if you have no clue what to do on what type of hair relaxer product to use, try this olive oil. I've been using this for a while now, and it is amazing. Okay, so if you have no clue what type of perm to use, or this is your first time using a relaxer, try this. This is your first time using it, or you've been natural for a while and you want to reverse back to relaxer, try this. So thank you guys so much for watching Glamorousmorana, and don't forget to click and subscribe to this video.